Good morning students. Welcome to Mathematics class of 5th standard. So now we are going to study Unit 3 Subtraction. So in the revision exercise we are studying in this video third main question. Solve the following problems. See, in the first question they given a factory manufactured 8534 boxes. Out of them for 5421 boxes were sold out. See children, so one of the factory is there. In that factory they are manufactured boxes. So how many boxes they are manufactured? 8534 boxes. So in that boxes they are sold out. How many boxes they sold out? 5421 boxes were sold out. Students, so now we find the remaining number of boxes. So now you start by the statement. A factory manufactured number of boxes. Manufactured number of boxes. How many boxes they are manufactured? 8534. So they were how many boxes they are manufactured? 8534. So number of boxes they sold out. How many boxes they are sold out? 5421 boxes. So now you subtract the 8534 minus 5421. We take side rough. Write the first big number, that is the minus. The small number you should take, that is the subtract. Now you start the subtraction. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 8 minus 5, 3. So how many boxes they are remaining? 3113 boxes. Okay, now we write the statement. The remaining boxes are 3113 boxes. So like this stuff we solve the problems. Okay, now we do the second one. So in the second one question they given the total number of students 5 in all the schools of Taluka is how many students totally? 5728 students. If the numbers of girls is 3572, so totally how many students? 5728. In that they given the girls. How many girls are there? 3572. So students, now we find the remaining the number of boys in the schools. Now we start by the statement. The total number of students of taluka. So in taluka, totally one talukas. The total number of students in taluk. How many students are there? 5728 students. 28. Okay. So now they given the number of girls. How many girls are there in 5 of all talukas? Number of girls in the school. Okay, so how many? 3572 students. 3572 students. How many? 3572. So Now we find the number of boys in the schools. Now we subtract 5728 minus 3572. We take a side rough. First we write 5728 minus 3572. Now we start from the unit place. 8 minus 2, 6. 2 minus 5. 2 is the smallest number, 7 is the big. How can you subtract 2 minus 7? No. You take the borrowing from higher place. So higher place is 7 is there. So in that we take 100, that convert into tens. 100 is equal to 10. 12. 12 minus 7, 5. So here we take one borrowing, here left 600. So now subtract 6 minus 5, 1. 5 minus 3, 2. So how many girls are there? Sorry, boys are there? The number of boys. The number of boys 2156. So how many boys? The number of boys 2156 boys are there. Okay. So like this step we do the problem. Now the last one, third one. Sanjeev has 8524 rupees. He donated 2937 rupees to an orphanage charitable trust. So orphanage means what? Okay. So that is the one of the trust. In that trust they given the amount. So now we start by the statement. Sanjeev has how many rupees he had? 8524 rupees. In that he donated how much? 2937 rupees. He donated 2937 rupees. So in we are writing the rupees, compulsory you write the symbol of the rupees. Okay. So now we take the rough. In that rough we subtract 8524 rupees minus 2937 rupees. Subtract 4 minus 7, we can't subtract. Small minus big. So we take the borrowing from highest place. 10 is there. You take 110. Here 2 10 are there. In that 110 we convert into ones, 14 ones. So here 14 minus 7. Here 1 left. We can't subtract 1 minus 3. We take the borrowing from hundreds place. We take 500 is there. So in that we take 4. 11 minus 3, 8. So 4 is left. We can't subtract 4 minus 9. We take the borrowing from 1000 place. We make it 1400. So here 7000 left. 14 minus 9, 5. So what is left in the 1000 place? 7 minus 2, 5. So how many rupees with him? He left with him 5587 rupees. He left with him. Sanju left with money how much? 5587.